Bedtime meditation. You may have woven mindfulness practice into your day, but as soon as you lie down in bed, you notice the mind beginning to race. As you settle down for the evening, the mind may not always read the situation accurately. With the stimuli of daily life over, the mind can seem louder than usual. This exercise can be used in these moments to help settle the mind and body as you prepare for sleep. Standing next to your bed, take a few deep breaths. Center yourself in the present moment, bringing your awareness to the body as it is right now. When you climb into bed, remain aware of what is occurring in the body. As you lie down, feel the body assume a resting position. Use the breath to bring mindfulness to the body and cultivate relaxation. As you breathe in, feel the lungs fill with air. When you exhale, feel the body soften into your mattress. Picture yourself falling deeper into the mattress as the body relaxes with each exhale. Start a body scan at the top of the head, moving down the body to the toes. As your attention rests on each part, relax it and soften into the bed with every exhale. When you reach toes, return to the body as a whole and the practice of breathing deeply. Please continue your softening.